My husband stopped saying me, I love you. What should I do? Hello ladies and welcome to Love Advice TV. I'm Alex Carmont, your love coach. And today, in this special video, I want to talk to you about something really important for me. As you know, I've coached so many women from 2007. And I know that this situation specifically is hurting you. I was coaching this lady in Denmark, Europe. And she told me, Alex, I'm destroyed because my husband is not telling me I love you. I fear that he doesn't give me value and I'm not happy in my love life. This is something that I know it's difficult because we need consideration. We need love. We are in a relationship because we want to exist in the eyes of our partner. And this is okay for me. But the advice that I gave her, she was shocked. She told me, are you sure, Alex? And I said, yes, don't worry. I control the situation. So I will explain to you in this video what I mean by that. Number one situation, you want to hear, I love you. So you will tell your husband, boyfriend, hey, you're never telling me I love you. You're not telling me I love you. You're not telling me I love you. And you will repeat. But it will not work. Why? Because you're putting pressure on him. And if he's not happy in a relationship, that can destroy your whole relationship. That can create a breakup, which is not what I want for you. So I was talking to this lady and I told her, you know what? Stop telling him I love you. Stop telling him that you want him to say I love you. Number one, be distant. She was like, oh, Alex, are you sure? Because if I'm distant, he will think I don't love him. And I said, no. You need to be distant because we will recreate attraction. It's not just about love. It's also about actions. So I know you want to hear, I love you. But we want also some actions to show that the relationship is better than yesterday. And this is why I told this lady, you need to be distant. And she was a little bit confused, but she applied what I said. And 2 weeks later, what happened? He said, I'm so in love with you. Why? Because during these 2 weeks, she let him have the space to say that. She let him feel that he was loving her, that he was in love. Because most of the time when we want to hear something, we are just focusing on it and we kill our chance to let your husband miss you, to let your husband feel the love. Because you will put too much pressure. So I'm not saying that it was her fault. I'm not saying it's your fault. I'm just saying that men, sometimes we need to feel the energy. And by you being distant, by you not saying all the time, I love you, stop saying some words, but recreating attraction by actions, like give a massage to your husband, like creating something special, having sex not in the bed, but somewhere in the house or outside. This is kind of actions that can rebuild the communication, that can rebuild love, that can rebuild the attraction. And then I can guarantee you, you will hear this famous, I love you, or I'm in love with you. So I want you to stop asking him, why are you not telling me I love you? I want you to stop telling him that you love him so much. I know it's weird. It's the opposite of what you were doing before. And this is why that lady was so shocked. I was smiling inside me. I was saying, like, you will see. Because sometimes we just need to lean back, okay? To pull away just for a couple of days to recreate the attraction. And this attraction will make sure that your relationship is strong. So take this into consideration. Sometimes men love the challenge. So sometimes your husband, your boyfriend wants to be in a challenge, he has to seduce you, okay? So you have to take just a small distance to make sure that the things will come like every day, to make sure he will tell you he loves you, okay? If you have any question, it's easy. Ask me in the comments below, and I will be here with the team to answer every single question. Give me a like and please subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Forget about the words, think about actions. We want to rebuild the attraction. We want to show him that you are just enjoying the present moment, trying new activities, trying new things, and then I can guarantee you he will come to you and say, I love you. If you want to book a coaching session with me, I will be more than happy to be your relationship expert. Come on withmyexagain.com. Let's try something crazy together because I control the situation and I can help you to achieve what you want with the man of your dreams. I will see you soon for a new video. Bye bye guys.